Good morning, children. Welcome back to English virtual class. I hope you all are fine. Take out your English reader book. Let's do the back exercise of the chapter The Fearless Fighter of Unit 3, where there is a will. But before doing the back exercise, we will revise the key points of the chapter. Let's do. First is main character. Who is the main character? Janki. Her qualities are determined, hardworking, and courageous. She went to England. She was suffering from polio when she was 2 years old. She was attacked by polio. She wanted to cross the English Channel. She used to practice in the Arabian Sea, and she made India proud on 28 July 1992. Children, you must revise all these key points again and again, which will help you in doing the back exercise and the question answer. Now let's start. Question C4. On the basis of your reading of the passage, take the correct answer. First is Janki practiced swimming 20 kilometers every day in just now you had done. Yes, the Arabian Sea. Janki swam in the English Channel for 2 hours and a half. The channel officials were shocked to see Janki because she was a handicapped girl, or you can say she was a physically challenged girl. Number 4 is while swimming in the channel, Janki faced a lot of difficulties. They were due to cold and salty water, seaweeds and jellyfish, or both the above. Yes, both the above. Let's do the next question. C5. Write T for true and F for false statements. Number 1. Janki was not allowed to make a solo attempt in the channel. Yes, true. Janki's teammates were Indians. They were Indian? No, they were Americans, so it's false. Janki did not need much training to fulfill the conditions of the English Channel Swimming Association. False. The officials of English Channel Association were not much impressed with Janki's confidence. False. Janki's ambition was to swim alone in the English Channel. Yes, she wanted to swim alone. All the difficulties Janki faced while swimming in the channel were forgotten as she swam to victory. Yes, she forgot all this. Janki believed in luck and did not want to work hard. Wrong. This is wrong, so it's a false. Now let's do the next question. C10. Read the following sentences. Whoever wishes to swim in the channel. I should be able to swim in the high sea for long hours without a break. Notice the words whoever and without. They are actually made up of two words. Whoever is made up of who and ever. Without is made up of with and out. They are put together to form a compound word. Yes, children, what are the compound words? When we join the two words to make one word, that is the compound word. They may be written as one word, as in whoever, or as words separated by hyphen, as in self-reliance. Now let's do the C11. Read the story again, identify and write below 5 compound words. But children, here you have to find the words from the chapter, but I am helping you here in writing. You can write the words other than these also. Number 1 is fulfill. It is made up of fulfill. Fearless, fearless. Upstream, upstream. Overtaken, overtaken. Outstanding, outstanding. Now let's do the next. C12. Now read the passage given below and fill in the blanks with compound words given in the aid box. Here also are given the compound words. First word is teamwork, hard work, playground, nobody, everyday, whoever, outstanding, without, everywhere. You have to choose the correct word to make a proper sentence. Dash the children went for football practice. Yes, what should be the word? Yes, every day the children went for football practice. They had to reach the dash at 5 a.m. They had to reach the playground. Dash was allowed to miss the practice. Yes, nobody was allowed to miss the practice. Dash in the school, notices had been put up saying that dash in the school. Everywhere in the school, notices had been put up saying that whoever was absent would have to play for 3 hours without a break. The boys put in a lot of hard work. The date of the match was nearing. In the match, the team's performance was outstanding. And this was the result of teamwork. Yes. Now let's do the next C13. Read the table given below. It gives us information about Baba Amte, the man who undertook the task of looking after leprosy patients. His hard work and will to do so made him successful. Let's read about Baba Amte. Name is Murlidhar Devidas Amte, known as Baba Amte. Profession lawyer. Qualities courageous, determined, hardworking, humble. Sacrifice gave up practice of law, undertook training in Kolkata to treat leprosy patients. Achievement opened a home for leprosy patients, called it Anandvan. Today it has many buildings, farms, and a fully equipped hospital. Awarded with Padma Shri and Padma Vibhushan. He declined them, he refused them. Dhyan Dattan Award for Leprosy Aid in 1983 and he died in 2009. Now write a paragraph. The man with an iron will. Baba Amte, as he is popularly known, was a man of great admiration. His real name was Murlidhar Devidas Amte. He was a lawyer by profession. He was courageous, determined, hardworking, and humble. He gave up practice of law and undertook training in Kolkata to treat leprosy patients. He opened a home for leprosy patients and called it Anandvan, which has many buildings, farms, and fully equipped hospital. He was awarded by Padma Shri, Padma Vibhushan, and Dhyan Dattan Award for Leprosy Aid in 1983, but he declined them. He died in 2009. That's all for today. Your homework is read lesson and learn back exercise. Thank you. Bye bye.